The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is GTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is gtimes.co.za. We CAF Confederations Cup Group D. Kaizer Chiefs and Apoge is Gogolele. Their first 3 points of the group. Their first win after 3 games. Remember, their first game, was it 2-2? 1-1? Against Almaz. Remember that game?
Yeah, I think it's 2-2.
Then the 2-2. Then there was a game in Polokwane against Zamalek. A loss. Now they went to Zambia playing against Zesco, making sure they come back with all the 3 points, making sure they 4 points together with Zamalek. Remember, Almaz lead that group with 6 points. But
So do you believe that the haters will be haters? Chiefs is still in the competition.
Chiefs, you are fighting for everything. They are within chase, within the top 3. Premiership. CAF Confederations Cup, 4 points. So Kaizer Chiefs, there's a possibility they might win a cup double this season, or even a treble, because remember, Baseko and Nedbank Cup, they are the defending champions. But Sharks, were CAF Confederations Cup.
Chain, champion always, all the time. Justo, Ngulux, Bobzela. So just left. I'll just say, so even if he's left, no problem. It's because the Tlama boys have won. Congratulations to the Tlama boys, Kaizer Chiefs, doing it in a different style, away from home.
Yes, it is the gift that keeps on giving. According to Choyo, it is the gift that keeps on giving.
That's what.
By Chinchil and Mtlanjabati, the Kaizer Chiefs that keeps on winning.
Okay, great stuff.
Great stuff, Chucks.
Yeah, I'm just saying the last line. I love the last line, not the first one.
Chucks and Chucks. Chucks, tell us,
yeah, indeed, we didn't have to drop the ball. Nothing whatsoever, Shane. The credit to Kaizer Chiefs. Different starting 11 once again changes. We saw Mayo as well coming in on the starting 11. Solomon as well. Also Villarreal. Remember the last game against Golden Arrows. Where the people said we benefited, which we did as well, which I was happy about. Sometimes you must be on the benefit side of it.
Yes.
Yes, they were not on the starting 11, but now there's just a few chances from the coaches. Yeah, but all in all, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to Zesco. What a poor team. Zesco is very, very poor, my friend. But not in that poor, but I'm just saying, as well, we managed to absorb the pressure, especially in the second half. Yes, we got a goal, quick goal. That's the kind of shit that we want. I told you about this kind of games. You don't need to play a beautiful football to win this kind of game, especially the Confederation Cup, not Betway Premiership. At home, you just need to play beautiful football and score great chances, score a lot of goals. But Confederation Cup, away from home, I can't blame the boys. No. That's what I'm saying. Quick goal from Modi. That's it. Close the shop. Nothing else. I mean, that's why you can even ask these 2 goalkeepers, what did they do today? Nothing. They were on holidays. Just imagine being on holidays in January, where pockets are empty. Our pockets are empty, my brother. You must remember it's January. But there, and Peterson and that keeper of Zesco, they were on holidays, my brother. That's what I'm saying. This kind of games, we love it. But let's credit to Chiefs, especially in the middle of the park once again. Gajeni was there, Mabwe as well. Different dimension as well that they are giving to Kaizer Chiefs. But even though there was no link between our defense and midfield today, and I'm not sure if it's because of the pitch. It was not conducive as well. The pitch today
was too bumpy.
Very, very bumpy. And you can get injuries. This kind of you just have to play cautiously. But all in all, I'm saying, credit to Kaizer Chiefs. You don't win away from home all the time, especially in terms of this kind of competition. But
Chucks, Almaz Zamalek. What kind of result are you hoping to see there?
Yeah, I mean, they even if they get a draw, it's fine. Because remember, they've got 6 points.
Yeah.
And also
Zamalek.
Yeah, and us again, we are playing against Zesco Kane. Ah, beautiful. Now they're coming here at home. I can tell you. They must bring whatever they have at the moment.
Yeah.
Because if they lose here at home, what are they expecting here back in South Africa? So,
sorry about color Chucks. I thought you were done with your point. Ndifuna uthetha ngale combination kaMaboe and Ndlovu.
Yeah.
Yabona ukuthi baqala ngayo again this season. The second round of the season. Nalaba CAF Confed bayaqhubeka again ngayo. And ibonakala ngathi midfield ezoqhubeka ngayo kasiyijogile Chucks. Do you think ukuthi mhlawumbe your technical team has finally found a balance mhlawumbe kula midfield yakho where they can play uNdlovu and Maboe, then decide who to play as that number 10 role, whether it's Vilakazi or Shabalala. But do you think la combination ka Ndlovu no Maboe is what you were looking for?
yeah, but sometimes you can't trust them. They can change them. You know, in this kind of games, you know, that's what I'm saying. Now you've got Solomon on the right back.
Okay.
Then they change him. They put Munyan. So that's what I'm saying. I don't trust them, my friend. They can do whatever they do at their own time. But so far, so good. In terms of this combination, Yamabuye, Lelekajane. I love it, my friend. I love it. I'm saying it's all about number 10 Vilakazi, Shabalala, how they take, how they play with them around. Even about Teaspoon, you can see he was introduced as well in the second half. Lilepo. So it's all about how they play with other players. But to me, I'm still saying great combination. They're okay. They're in the middle of the park. They are doing what they are supposed to do at Kaizer. They brought stability, especially in the Kaizer Chiefs team. So we love it, my friend. We love it, my brother.
Napagla right back, there are games where Monyana qala kuzo, there are games where Solomon qala kuzo. Pagla right back, Chucks. Do you think mhlawumbe sebeyifumene balance because it seems like as the team yaqaphela right back ibanye ibe yedlala games ezininzi, but this season it has been Monyane, it has been Solomons. So what do you think is happening at right back Yako Jackson?
I told you guys that we've got one of the best right back as well in the Kaizer Chiefs team.
One of the best right backs in South African football.
Friend, like it or not, Solomon is doing incredibly well at the moment. You might not see him because it's not into Bafana, lineup or whatever squad. But I can tell you, he's the best. In terms of reading the game, going forward, passes are top notch. I think he has grown tremendously. From the Solomon that we knew before. But now this kind of Solomon, that's what I'm saying. I'm surprised that they take him out. They put Munyan. Munyan as well is, make no mistake. From Orlando Pirates, doing very, very, very well. But I'm saying as the coaches, once you put Munyan. Once you put Solomon, let it be. You mustn't kill someone's confidence, especially from the right back. Aiden as well did well. There was a moment, but he did well as well. Guinika, top notch Guinika. I don't know what changes in Guinika. Maybe it's the coaching from the coaches, but I can tell you Guinika at the moment is covering Miguel. You might think that Miguel is doing well, but I can tell you Guinika is doing more than what Miguel is doing, especially at the back. I think we are covered. That is why we didn't sign anybody. You guys were asking why did the Chiefs sign any? Why should we sign? Well, we've got players. We've got depth in our squad. The only
Kaizer Chiefs of depth.
Yes, they do. They do. That is why they're on top at the moment. They are number 3. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, or number 4, if I'm not mistaken. We are still in the top 5. And anything can happen. People I think now they are scared to face Kaizer Chiefs because of what the depth, especially or even go benching. Whoever is coming in or out doesn't matter. Is it Batman? Velebai was there on the bench as well. He didn't play today. Just imagine, this kind of players that we have, especially attacking players. We do have depth in the squad. It's all about grouping those guys, making sure that we get the results. I don't think Shane we need to fear anything. We mustn't fear.
And how far is your coaches, your 2 head coaches? How far are they from achieving that? Because Uti Baya Bambi Kaizer Chiefs. So Kabachongeli, how far are they from Uti Bambi Kaizer Chiefs now? Okay, now we believe Uti these are the right coaches for us. We must start ourselves forward.
As I've mentioned that even on the bench, we've got full beans. Full beans meaning anyone that can come will bring energy on the field of play. But I can assure you that Kaizer Chiefs we need the head coach. I'm not saying they are not doing well, guys and the stuff. But what I'm trying to say, you need a head coach. Someone will be calling the shot. At the moment,
but
yes.
They're calling the shots. They're 2 coaches.
I understand. They're doing well. I'm not saying it, but the Tlama boys, you can keep going on with the assistant coaches. Yes, they're doing well at the moment.
Chucks, let me correct that. Yeah. Those are not assistant coaches. Those are your two head coaches. I need to correct that, Chucks. They are not assistant coaches. Those are your two head coaches.
Shane, you've got your own opinion. I've got my own opinion.
No, Chucks. I know, but this is not an opinion. It's a fact. Those are two Kaizer Chiefs head coaches. They are not assistant. It's not my opinion. It's a fact, Chucks.
They came into South Africa as
I know,
assistant
Chucks,
coaches, yes.
but those are your two head coaches.
On papers they can be head coaches. It's okay, but according to me,
Chucks, why are you denying your coaches?
okay, no, it's fine. I'm not denying them, but what I'm trying to say, Shane, is
Yeah, I know. I hear you. I
Yeah.
hear what you're saying,
Yes,
Chucks,
yes.
and I respect it. But
Yes.
what I'm saying is that I can have my own opinion now, but the fact remains.
Yeah.
Ukaze and
Yusuf.
Yusuf,
Yeah.
those are Kaizer Chiefs head coaches.
Okay, according to you, that's okay.
Not according to me, Chucks. According to your club.
and
They're-
the papers. No, how Shane? Okay, we can talk until the cows come back.
Yes.
Yes. What I'm trying to say is they came to South Africa as
assistant coaches. Now they are coaches. Chucks.
So why are you saying according to yes? And even
Not
the
according
papers-
to me. Chucks, I need to correct that.
Okay.
It's not according to me.
Okay,
Chucks, those are your head coaches. You don't have assistant coaches at Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay, let me do like this.
Okay.
They are doing very well at the moment.
Yes.
Ne?
Yeah.
But the Clamor boys,
Yeah.
they will be getting a coach, even if it's next season.
Okay.
They will bring someone to be on the bench.
But in the meantime,
In the meantime, we give them support.
you give who your support?
Two of them.
Who's them? Your two what Sharks? Make it clear.
Those that are on the bench, that are controlling the boys.
What's their role?
That are starting, that are making sure that they select the
What's
starting
their
11.
role? What's their role,
We are
Sharks?
giving them credit to say, guys, go and do the job. That's all.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me close it. Let me close. Let me close it. Sharks has already given us a signal. Good Masivale. As Zambia, Kaizer Chiefs collected 3 points against Zesco. Kaizer Chiefs now on 4 points. Pagegu Group D. Zesco abeka fumana ne point enye kulesi basene qanda. But the Kaizer Chiefs yenza sure ukuthi ufuna uzibekele indawo kwi last 16 ye CAF Confederations Cup. Xa wrap up towards the end of the season, but we'll have to see. Because by number 3, this is their first victory. But what's important is that they are collecting points. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Tango.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.